Hello investors, welcome back to another video of technical analysis with Lennox, and welcome to the third video of the ETF series. On today's video, we'll be looking at the China ETF, and without wasting of time, let's just get right into it. So although we don't have much data for us to use on this ETF, but let's just try to work with what we have here. And when I'm looking at this chart right here, this is a very strong sell-off here. The market, the overall market is strongly bearish here. And if you've been following the Chinese market, you'd know what's been happening here. But recently we saw the market bouncing a bit, and some say it's now reversing. Some say it's now time to get into the market. But let's hear what I think about the market. So when I'm looking at this chart still looks bearish, and we don't have much signs of the market reversing as yet. And what I'm looking for on the chart is for a monthly candle to come back and retest this level here. And if we see a rejection at this level here, this will just confirm a reversal on the market. But if that does not happen, this market might just continue going down. And let's just look at some technical analysis a bit here. So although this is not a well-defined trend, one may say, but this looks like a trend that is kind of like forming on this ETF here. We saw how sensitive market became at around this point here, and when the monthly candle closes, this monthly candle closes, I'm expecting the new candle to come back and retest this level here, and this will give us a sign of the general direction of the market. Currently, I wouldn't say we have a reversal. What we saw in the past few weeks might just be a dead cat bounce. So we are likely to see this market coming back to retest this level here. And if it's strongly bearish, it will break out of this trend here. We saw something similar on what was it, process. It had something like this here, where it broke out of a trend that looks like this here, and it bounced back inside the trend, and now we're seeing it it's going outside the trend again. And this ETF might just do that. It might just do what that stock did here, and that's kind of like what I'm expecting on this ETF here. So personally, I wouldn't say we have a buy as yet. I prefer to be on the sideline and watch how the markets play out. So if you think this is a reversal, I mean, you're more than welcome to take a position here. And remember, this is not financial advice. There's some other aspects that you have to consider when looking into ETFs. This is just technical analysis, and in my opinion, this is not yet a buy, and we do not have a clear reversal on the Chinese market. Otherwise, guys, let's meet again next week, same place, same time. We'll be looking at another ETF, and remember to comment the name of an ETF that you'd like me to analyze, and I'll do so if we have enough data on the ETF. Thank you.